want to show you how to play Spanish Eyes, Blue Spanish Eyes, as it's sung by Englebert Humperdinck. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with that melody. It starts off, and we're in the key of B flat, and the melody starts on a D. D, E flat, F, D, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. And then we go all the way down to this C, C, D, E flat, C, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. Then we go back to what we did at the beginning. D, D, E flat, F, D, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C. Then it changes here, B flat and up to a G. And then was that a G flat, A flat, G flat, F, D, E flat, 2 E flat, G flat, E flat, A flat, D, C, B flat, A, B flat, C, A, B flat. So there you have the melody. And on the bass, in the left hand, you're just going to have B flat, F, F, B flat, B flat, F, F. An F, C, C, F, F, C, C, F, F, C, C. And then you've got an E flat. You've got an E flat thrown in there too with the E flat and the B flat. So let's just take it from the start. Now the introduction, all you do is you play the B flat chord, only I'm just going to play 2 notes, B flat and D, because you got the F right here. So, and then we go right into the melody. The trick is to fit this E flat, F with those 2 Fs. Now those rhythms go right together, so you got this E flat, we're going to an F7 chord. So at 1, 3, 5, 7. So we got the F down here, the E flat up here. And then we just keep it and come back to a C in the melody. What they do, they just walk that bass line up there, so I did it too. F, G, A, B flat, and what you've got is so you've actually got tenths there, an octave apart. So there'd be thirds, this would be tenths, and then you're clear down here with this G, A. And we're back to the B flat. Then down to the melody again with the. Now here's where you go to the E flat. And you're spread by, what's that, 1, 2, 3 octaves there. So you've got an E flat. And we've just got an E flat chord. E flat, G, B flat. So your G is here, we've got the E flat and the B flat down here. Then we change to an E flat minor. See that E flat minor, E flat, G flat, B flat. Now they hold that A flat, she holds that A flat, or whoever's singing it there, holds that A flat, G flat, F, the singer does, and you've got the. Just hold it back a little bit and say C, C, G flat, F. So we've got the G flat. Down to the F in the bass. Now you want to put this little trumpet thing flare in there. So you've got that in with the bass however you want. So you can fit it right with that if you want to. And then we're into the second verse, which is the same thing. He changes it F, C, D. So you've got the, you're going to the B flat. Now let me slow that down so you can see. Now there we go down to play the tag and just slow the tag down and drop it an octave from here down to here. And then what I would do is I'd play a B flat chord, but I'd play the B flat and the F here. Now you could just play it like that, or you can all overlap your hands. That's what I'm doing. I'm putting the D and the B flat in the right hand and the B flat and the F in the left hand. And just make that whole tag freely. You can make that as free as you want. Blue Spanish Eyes by Englebert Humperdinck. Hope you enjoy it.